Do you dream of a living room that's cozy, luxurious, and budget-friendly? It's easier than you think. In this video, I'll show you 10 affordable ways to create that perfect cozy atmosphere while giving your home an expensive designer look. Hello, I'm Nikki D, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to transform your space into a stylish and cozy retreat without overspending, you're in the right place. Today I'm sharing simple tips and tricks to add warmth, comfort, and elegance to your living room. No high price tags required. Now let's get started. Tip 1. Make your fireplace the focal point. One of the first things that you think of when you see a fireplace is probably warmth. So we'll start here because it's the perfect cozy statement piece. If you already have one, that is fabulous. If not, no worries, I'll show you how you can fake it. A fireplace instantly makes any space feel warm and inviting, and you can elevate it with stylish art, mirrors, and decor. Now, if you don't have a fireplace, you can add a decorative one or an electric one to bring in that cozy vibe. It's all about creating that wow moment. This living room design has an electric fireplace, but it looks so realistic that you probably would never know it wasn't. This one's from Wayfair, and I linked it below so you could check it out. Tip 2. Add textured pillows for a cozy vibe. Nothing transforms a space faster than pillows, and they're one of the easiest ways to add texture and cozy charm to your living room. Think soft velvets, nubby boucle, woven linen, and even faux fur. By mixing textures, you'll instantly elevate the look and feel of your space without breaking the bank. See how something as simple as pillows can instantly change the vibe? That's the power of texture. The layering of fabrics and patterns creates depth and warmth. And the best part, you don't need to splurge on a new sofa. Just swap out your old pillows for some high quality textured covers and voila, instant upgrade. A pro tip is to stick to a cohesive color palette for a polished look, but don't be afraid to mix patterns like stripes, plaids, or subtle geometrics for added interest. I linked up my favorite budget-friendly pillow covers in the links below. From Amazon steals to splurge-worthy finds, I've got you covered, so you'll want to check them out. Tip 3. Throw blankets are a cozy game changer. Throw blankets are the ultimate way to bring that cozy vibe into your living room. Whether you toss one over the arm of your sofa, drape it casually over a chair, or layer it on the back of a bench, they'll instantly add warmth, texture, and charm. And let's be real, they're not just practical, they're a total design statement. Think chunky knit, faux fur, or soft fleece. Each one is going to bring its own vibe. My personal favorite, neutral tones like cream, taupe, or gray. They'll be versatile, timeless, and can literally work in any room. But if you're feeling bold, go for a pop of seasonal color like rust, forest green, or even burgundy, which is all the rage right now. It's such an easy way to refresh your space without spending much. There's just something about a throw blanket that screams, come on over and relax. In my house, this faux fur throw is always in use. I find myself folding it multiple times a day, but honestly, I don't mind because it's meant to be enjoyed. This small detail makes a huge difference in how your space feels. It's that little touch of coziness that makes everyone want to stay forever. If you're looking for throw blanket inspiration, I linked my favorites in the description below. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly finds or something more luxe, there's something for everyone. So make sure you check them out. Tip 4. Area rugs. These are going to be cozy and functional. A great area rug is a game changer for creating a cozy and inviting living room. Not only does it anchor your space, but it also adds texture, pattern, and warmth. Here's a quick pro tip. Make sure that the front legs of your furniture, like your sofa or chairs, are on the rug. This simple trick will tie your room together and make the seating arrangement feel more grounded and cohesive. Think of a rug as a blanket for your floor. It's functional, stylish, and super cozy. Plus, a larger rug makes your room feel bigger and more welcoming. Tip 5. Layer your windows for a soft, cozy, luxurious vibe. Windows are not just for letting light in. Layering them will totally change the vibe of your living room. For example, start with sheer curtains to bring in soft, natural light while adding privacy. Then add heavier drapes like velvet or linen blends for a cozy, luxurious touch. If you need privacy at night or want to block the cold winter drafts, go for blackout curtains. And here's a design hack. Hang your curtains high and wide to make your windows appear bigger and your ceilings taller. For that extra layer of dimension, try adding textured shades or Roman blinds to really elevate your space and make it feel high-end. Tip 6. Bring in natural elements. This is going to add instant calm to your living room. Ever wonder why nature feels so calming? Bring that peaceful vibe inside. Faux plants, woven baskets, and natural wood accents can make your space feel grounded and cozy. And the best part, they require zero maintenance. Even small touches of nature can make a huge impact, transforming your space into a calming retreat. Tip 7. Candles and diffusers to set the mood. Candles and diffusers are a game changer when it comes to setting the right vibe in your living room. A flickering candle like this one from Amazon or a calming diffuser like the Pure 4 can instantly turn your space into a peaceful retreat and make everything smell amazing. My new go-to is non-toxic candles made with coconut wax and essential oils. This one has a Palo Santo wick that'll give your space a cozy zen vibe. I linked it below, plus my favorite pure scents and flickering candles, so you should definitely check them out. Tip 8. Declutter and simplify. A clutter-free living room is key to creating a calm, cozy vibe. Clutter adds stress and visual chaos, but simplifying and organizing can instantly make your space more inviting and relaxing. Multifunctional furniture is a game changer, especially in small spaces. Try a coffee table with built-in storage for remotes and everyday items, or a storage ottoman that doubles as seating and holds your blankets or toys. Baskets are another stylish and affordable option. Wicker or fabric baskets will add warmth and texture while keeping throw blankets, toys, or magazines neatly organized. Remember, less is more. Keep only what serves a purpose or brings you joy, and find a smart storage solution for the rest. A clean, organized space doesn't just look great, it'll also feel like a peaceful retreat. Tip 9. Color palette and texture, which is the secret combo. The secret to a high-end living room is definitely color and texture. Start with a neutral base like warm whites, soft grays, or taupes, and then layer in rich accent colors like mustard, deep olive, or rust for that designer look. But the real thing that's going to take your design to the next level, especially in neutral spaces, is texture. Think chunky knit throws, velvet pillows, or plush boucle furniture. Mixing textures adds depth and makes your space feel layered and expensive. Remember, it's the contrast between colors and textures that make your space look and feel high-end. Try it out and you'll see a difference. Tip 10. Add cozy furniture. Cozy furniture is next level for creating a warm, inviting, stylish living room. If your budget allows, try a boucle sofa. It's going to have that soft, nubby texture that'll add comfort and give your space a high-end designer feel. Velvet accents like sofas, chairs, or ottomans are another great way to bring in a plush, luxurious vibe. For a touch of texture, add a fur chair or bench. It's a simple way to make a statement without overwhelming your space. Before you shop, make sure that you measure your space and create a floor plan. Download the free PDF guide linked below so you know everything fits perfectly. Here's a bonus tip that'll make any space feel warm and cozy. Layer your lighting. I talk about this a lot, but combining general, task, and accent lighting creates the perfect cozy vibe. Don't just rely on overhead lights like a chandelier. Add sconces, table lamps, or a floor lamp to bring in more warmth. A quick design hack is to install dimmer switches. Being able to adjust your lighting lets you easily switch from bright and energizing to soft and relaxing, setting the perfect mood for any time of day. And that, my friends, is a wrap. You now have everything you need to create a cozy, stylish living room that truly feels like home. Which tip are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss next Sunday's video. For more cozy inspiration, head over to the blog, Inspired Design Talk. And if you're ready to take your home to the next level, check out my course, Designer Home 101. It's full of step-by-step lessons to help you design your dream home. No experience necessary. The link is in the description below, so make sure that you sign up so that we can make your home look like you hired a designer. no matter your budget. For more decorating tips and design inspiration, check out this video next. Love you all so much, and I'll see you next Sunday. Until then, happy designing.